Fruitful Research Day, everyone. I am Jonalyn E. Perido from Mdas Central School, Mdas District. I am privileged to present to you my research titled Parent-Teacher Guided Modular Instruction in Performing Series of Operations Applying Mdas, Multiplication, Division, Addition, and Subtraction Rules. Students are learning mathematics based on the application of rules, and one of these is the order of operation, which serve as cornerstone in understanding arithmetic. Order of operation is extremely a challenging topic. It is super confusing, and the pupils got low mastery in performing series of operations with an initial grade of 74 and below during the first quarter of the school year 2021-2022. Modular instruction guided by parents and teachers has been shown to be effective in optimizing learning in mathematics. Leap Science 2020, parents played a vital role as home facilitators, and they serve as partners of teachers in education. This was also supported by Vitangel and Sumawang 2021, parent as home innovators. Quantitative research design using purposive sampling was used. The target participants was 31% of the total population, which is 50 pupils from D. Rizal, E. Aguinaldo, and A. Bonifacio of Mdas Central School who got low mastery level in mathematics with an initial grade of 74 and below. Participants received intervention using modular instruction focusing on the least mastered competency. The statistical tools used to analyze the data were the mean, SD, MPS to determine the performance level of the pupils in the pre-test and post-test, and the t-test of dependent means to determine the significant scores between one group or two sets of correlated scores. It can be manifested from the table that the class got 6.64 mean out of 20 items mathematics pre-assessment test, 2.23 SD, and 33.20 MPS, which means that the group belonged to the group or to the pupils with low average in terms of the least mastered competency. Table posited that the class got 18.66 mean, which shows a very high improvement from their pretest, 1.17 SD, and 93.30 MPS, which is closely approximating mastery. As seen in the diagram, there is a very high increase of 60.10 in the MPS. It can be inferred that parent-teacher guided modular instruction improved the mathematical skills of the pupils in performing series of operations applying Mdas rules. The pupils perform better, which is highly evident on the results of test scores. The test rejected the null hypothesis because the computed absolute value is greater than the tabulated value, which means that there is a significant difference in the scores of pre-test and post-test in performing series of operations applying Mdas rules to the performance levels of the pupils. The findings of this study imply that parent-teacher guided modular instruction is highly beneficial for struggling learners in mathematics, as it is found to be effective in improving the mathematical skills of the pupils. It has great impact in the performance level of the pupils, which is highly evident on the results of test scores. Continuous implementation or practice of this intervention is highly commendable, with the collaborative efforts of parents and teachers towards the pupils' academic success. The findings show that the scores of grade 4 D. Rizal, E. Aguinaldo, and A. Bonifacio improved a lot in their post-test compared to their pre-test scores. It can be inferred that parent-teacher guided modular instruction improved the performance level of the pupils, and it has been effective, has significant relationship and high implication on the learning of the pupils in relation with mathematics. It is highly recommended that we utilize parent-teacher guided modular instruction daily to improve the mathematical skills of the pupils in performing series of operations. We could also provide trainings or seminar for teachers on other mathematical interventions, and another comparative research study may also be conducted on the use of parent-teacher guided modular instruction in performing series of operations to find out how truly effective is the intervention. Here are the list of my references in my research study. Again, this is Jonalyn E. Perido from Mdas Central School, Municipality of Mdas. Happy Research Day, everyone!